Managing your heart health is easier than ever with blood pressure monitors from OMRON, available through the convenience of Amazon. OMRON offers a range of blood pressure monitors to serve every one of the 103 million American adults with high blood pressure and those who want greater insights into their heart health. Take the Bronze upper arm blood pressure monitor, for instance. The Bronze monitor is powered by OMRON Advanced Accuracy technology, which measures 5 times more data points for consistent, precise blood pressure readings. This exclusive technology also minimizes the impact of your breathing and movement to reduce measurement inconsistencies and errors. With its convenient one-touch design, the Bronze monitor will capture your blood pressure readings, irregular heartbeats, and body movement during measurement, while it stores up to 14 readings for your review. This makes it easy for you to share your vital information with your family, caregivers, or healthcare professionals. This monitor comes complete with the soft and contoured OMRON wide-range D-ring cuff. Designed to deliver a more comfortable measurement, this cuff fits adult arms ranging from 9 to 17 inches around. Whether your arm is average-sized or a little larger, this cuff will work for you. And for added convenience, 4 AA batteries are included in the package. Regular blood pressure monitoring at home is essential in helping to prevent heart attack and stroke. At OMRON, our goal is making sure our line of blood pressure monitors assures accuracy, ease of use, and reliability. Most importantly, OMRON is the #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand of at-home monitors in the US, and the #1 recommended brand by doctors in Canada. View our complete line of monitors on Amazon.com by searching OMRON blood pressure monitors. Take charge of your heart health with home blood pressure monitoring through the support and expertise of OMRON, plus the convenience of Amazon ordering and delivery.